Right now, we've just arrived at the Naka Island. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, our journey starts here at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Before we start, if you guys enjoy watching my content, go ahead and hit on that big red spicy subscribe button down below. Other than that, let the journey begin. So today's flight is from Bangkok to Phuket. It's a morning flight operated by Thai Smile Airways. Flight time was about 1 hour and 15 minutes. As you can see, the weather was a bit cloudy on the way there, but once we got there, the weather was unusually good at Phuket. So after we landed, we would need to wait for the bus that we booked to arrive in front of the airport. So I'll see you guys on the bus. So right now, as you can see, I'm on the bus to the Alcor Grand Marina here, which is where we'll get on to our boat, which will bring us to the Naka Island. So the bus ride takes around 30 minutes. It was pretty chill and I was just relaxing. I have to say though, I don't know if it's the road or the car or it's just me tired, but the ride was pretty bumpy. Anyways, enough talking for now. I'll see you guys at the pier. So here we are guys at the Grand Marina Pier, and right now we're just waiting for our boat. Looks like it's gonna rain soon, so that's not good. Anyways, let's take a little walk around, shall we? So here it is, the hotel's boat, which will take us to the Naka Island. By the way, the boat trip is really fast guys, like I'm not gonna lie, it takes no longer than 5 or 6 minutes to get there. Now while we're waiting, we can enjoy this hard to take shot of my face as I try not to lose my camera. Right now, we've just arrived at the Naka Island. Here you can see my gimbal going crazy after going on a boat trip. Now guys, look at this breathtaking scenery right here. Now we're gonna walk to the reception to check in. Oh yeah, silly me guys, I forgot to take a video here, but before you enter the hotel, they will let you hit a gong right there, which is to show respect to the Naka serpent, which villagers say there is a legend that tells of how a Naka was cursed and turned into stone, which then became this island, Naka Island. Okay, now back to the video. Now that we got our keys, let's go see our room, shall we?
A few moments later.
So our room, I think you can probably guess this, is the Sea View Pool Villa. So outside of the room, like the name says it, there is a private pool where you can take nice portraits and just relax yourself. Now as you can see on the way in, you have the sala next to the pool where you can just sit there and relax in the afternoon. Now one thing I really like about the room is that when you're in it, it feels so spacious. It's like you're walking in a small house, because the back doors of the bedroom takes you to a mini garden at the center of your room, which next to it is the toilet and the shower room. And to my surprise, there's also a steam room, guys. So as you can see, overall the room is a modern, natural style with lots of trees all around the room. So if you're that type of person who just loves spending time outdoors with nature, this resort is surely suited for you. Oh yeah guys, and you also got an outdoor jacuzzi. Now in terms of the resort, I felt that it was massive in size guys. If you're an outdoors person who just enjoys walking around surrounded by nature like me, I'm sure even a trip to the swimming pool can be quite exciting. But if you don't like walking so much, don't worry. The resort has many golf carts which can pick you up straight from your room and take you to the main area, which is where almost everything is located, such as the bikes which you can just borrow for free to ride into the local villages, breakfast, restaurants, the beach, swimming pool, unit. Now in terms of what y'all gonna eat during your stay, there's the Tonsai restaurant where they have exceptional Thai food, and the Ram Chapelle where there is great Italian and international food. Both restaurants are on the opposite sides of the pool. Or if you guys are just kinda lazy, you know, like how we're all are on a Sunday morning, there's always the option for room service. This brings us to the end of this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my content, like I said before, you can support me by smashing on that burning red subscribe button down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.